Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, most merciful and beneficiary, respected President of the program, Dr. Abdul Rauf Momin sir, Chief Guest, Mr. Salim Rahmatullah Ansari sahab, Guest of Honor, Mr. Chetan Katre sir, and Asif Majid Momin sir. Bhiwandi Weavers Education Society President Sharif Hassan Momin sir, Honorable Secretary Bhiwandi Weavers Education Society Deep Momin, other dignitaries on the dais of the dais, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and a very good morning to one and all. Indeed, I feel honored to present my report as the principal of the college. With the permission of the chair, today on behalf of Bhiwandi Weavers Education Society, Samadhiya College of Arts and Commerce, I welcome you all to this annual prize distribution and cultural program. As there were only two colleges, BNM College and GM Women's College in the city, it was the need of the hour that more institutions for higher education to be established. Bhiwandi Weavers Education Society has taken the initiative to establish the college in the year 2003. Bhiwandi Weavers Education Society was fortunate enough to get the permission to start senior college from Government of Maharashtra and University of Mumbai in July 2003 with the efforts of Honorable MLA Bhiwandi West, Mr. Abdul Rashid Tahir Momin. The inaugural function of the senior college, presided over by President Bhiwandi Weavers Education Society, Mr. Sharif Hassan Momin, was held on 14th August 2003 at Samadhiya Junior College Hall. Mr. Anis Ahmad, Honorable Minister of Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra, graced the occasion as chief guest, and Mr. Rashid Tahir Momin, ex-MLA, Bhiwandi West, as the guest of honor. The construction work of senior college wing on the second floor was started on 22nd July 2006, which was earlier located on the ground floor of Samadhiya High School and Junior College. The stone foundation ceremony was performed on 22nd July 2006. The program was presided over by Mr. Sharif Hassan Momin, President Bhiwandi Weavers Education Society. The inaugural function of shifting of senior college was held on 15th August 2008 in the new premises of second floor of the existing building. The program was presided over by Mr. Sharif Hassan Momin, inaugurated by August hands of Honorable Principal Sohail Lokhandwala, which we are much grateful to the management of Bhiwandi Weavers Education Society for providing entire second floor to the senior college. Mr. Khalil Patel, former chairman School Committee, Rafiuddin Faqih High School, Bhiwandi, was the guest of honor in the said program. The first academic year, 2003-2004, there were only 112 students admitted in BA and BCom courses. At present, there are 500 plus students enrolled in BA and BCom courses. We are proud to have more than 2,000 graduates from our institution who have moved ahead for better prospects in their lives. Last year, 2021-22, the students who topped in TYBA and TYBCom exams are Sheikh Sarina Abdul Khalik and Ansari Affan Muhammad Nasir respectively. We have a very rich library. A library is the soul of any educational institution. The curriculum and teaching methods of Samadhiya College of Arts and Commerce require both intensive and extensive use of materials in the library, keeping in view the essential role the library is being constantly enriched by the acquisition of latest books, e-learning resources and journals. This helps the library to keep the pace with changing time and further the advancement of the academic endeavors of the college. Approximately 5,000 books are available in our library, in which 1,200 are reference books and 20 are rare collection. Library is also active in digital mode. Our college is arranging scholarship for the students every year. 167 students benefited from Government of Maharashtra post-matric scholarship State government MahaDBT scholarship scheme, University of Mumbai scholarship scheme, and ANGC scholarship for the academic year 2021-22 worth rupees 5,04,350 रुपीज। मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि लास्ट ईयर हमारे बच्चों को जो स्कॉलरशिप मिली है वो 5,04,350 रुपए स्कॉलरशिप हमें मिल रहा है। Apart from this, our college staff is also active in financial assistance to poor and needy students. In the year 2022-23, there were more than 50,000 collected and distributed. So I appreciate all my staff and hope the same in future also. The college staff and students have participated in various seminars, workshops, intercollegiate competitions, programs which was organized either offline mode or online mode. One of our staff, Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim Ansari, has attended one-day workshop on implementation of New Education Policy 2020 on 12th January 2023 at Birla College, Kalyan. Myself and Professor Jalis is continuing his job as the paper setter in the University of Mumbai. Myself is also appointed as the member of syllabus framing committee in geography at Birla College, Kalyan. Professor Jalis is also appointed as a member in syllabus framing committee in Urdu at Idle University of Mumbai. Apart from this, college is also organized few programs in the college in this academic year. An orientation program are organized for FYBA and FYBCom students and for their parents also. We have also organized career guidance program on civil and allied services in this academic year. The session were very much informative and for the aspirants of civil aspirants. An online seminar was also organized by the college on various skill-based courses and free training program in association with Tata Group, in which approximately 200 students were benefited. A seminar on how to be a wise consumer and smart investor was organized in association with Consumer Society of India in 3 sessions. College was also arranged a career guidance workshop on IAS, IPS, IFS, MPSC, UPS activities for students under various encourage and enhance literary and language skill among students. This year, the college also participated in various intercollegiate competitions and sports events. College is organized individual and inter-class tournament in various indoor and outdoor games and sports in college campus. Urdu Week was also organized in the month of December, in which various types of competitions such as Baitbazi, Ghazal Khwani, Naat Khwani, essay writing and speech contest were organized. At the same time, a team of 3 students of our college participated in intercollegiate Baitbazi competition held in Burhani College in the month of January and won second prize. One of our students also participated in intercollegiate essay writing competition held in Lalsekhar College, Nalasupara in the month of September and became the first prize winner. Under the Department of English, organized various activities and competitions throughout the year like poetry recitation competitions, storytelling competitions, grammar quiz and many more. Under the Department of Geography, a field trip was organized for TYBA students to Nasik and surrounding areas in the month of December in order to provide direct sources of knowledge and acquaint the students with first-hand information to provide an opportunity to the students for the development of his aesthetic sense. Under Samadhiya Geographical Society, there were various inter-class events organized like Rangoli, poster making, map making, quiz contest, PowerPoint presentation and waste out of waste. Samadhiya History Association organizes various events like essay writing, poster competitions, recipe contest, debate contest, drama, and many more. Department of Commerce also organized question competitions on globalization, commerce, literary reading contest, sell your product, 3 quiz contests, and many more. Under Women Development Cell, a delicious recipe contest and inter-class mehndi competition was also organized in the college. The NSS unit of our college is also active and observes various days and organized various activities for the betterment of community. Also, volunteers participated in various events in other colleges. One of the students was participated in LTP time. NSS units also organize Rangoli competition, poster making competition, HIV/AIDS awareness programs in collaboration with Thane Civil Hospital. Also, a 7 days special residential camp for NSS unit was organized at AS Tharmal Farm, Makoli in the month of January. There were approximately 40 students participating. Apart from this, we have a vision to uplift our college, for which we have few prospects planned. We are in process for NAC, which will guarantee to bright prospects of our college. We are putting our best efforts to achieve best grade for our college. We are also working on college infrastructure and hope, inshallah, within 2 to 3 months, the best campus will be given to the students. We have also signed 3 MOUs with GM Modi College, Bhiwandi, Konde College, Vikramgarh, and Birla College, Kalyan. Under such MOUs, we will extend the students' faculty and also use their resources free of cost. Also, we have Maulana Azad National Urdu University Learning Support Center in our college. This additional section of the same to cater educational needs of them who cannot attend regular college. I cannot leave the mic without thanking strength behind me. I express my deepest gratitude on behalf of staff, students toward the Bhiwandi Girls Education Society for its continuous endeavor to provide higher education to the community. I extend my gratefulness towards my staff and their dedicated hard work and imparting their knowledge and skill to the students. Likewise, I am also thankful to the non-teaching staff for